Alright, this is this is Adriel, and I'd like to show you that Mortal Kombat XL doesn't even fucking work. It's some kind of like a glitch or something. So I'm gonna show you this is the issue. You know, it happens yesterday while I was going to go back and play this game. And when I start this game, you know, it didn't work at all. So here's the starting screen. You see that? It takes so fucking long to show in the main menu. What the fuck? And it doesn't fucking happen. And it's still glitching. It won't fucking start. Like, unfucking believable. That's here.
Did you not load work?
No, it didn't work.
Oh.
Shows nothing but an empty screen. Takes so long to load the main menu.
So you didn't load it?
No.